Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy latest upload from our channel. Before we start, let's note down the ingredients.
Lemon, avocado, 1 egg. Let's start.
Take a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
Add egg white of 1 egg.
One tablespoon of avocado paste. If you have oily skin, this mask will resolve all your skin problems.
Now mix all the ingredients.
Apply this mask on your face and left it until it dries. Our next mask is honey mask. Ingredients: yogurt, honey, oats.
Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of oats powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now mix all the ingredients.
Apply this mask on your face for 10 minutes.